This is how I prepare beef tallow for cooking. This process only requires you to melt down raw beef fat. Chop the beef fat into small pieces and cook it low and slow in a heavy pot. This took me about 40 minutes to an hour, and I love to put my tallow in a glass jar because it's safe. When I finish, I store the fat in the refrigerator because it may get molds if you store it in a warm place. This tallow can cook anything. You can cook rice with the tallow, you can make any stew with the tallow, and it doesn't leave any smell or add any taste to your meals. Enjoy the rest of the video.